Dashboards consist of two or more packages arranged in multiple panes so that, for example, reports and graphs may be viewed side by side. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to create a dashboard using report and graph packages. To start, select a suitable option on the reporting menu. Choose a previously created package as your first dashboard item. In order to add your second dashboard item, select File, New, then a suitable report or graph type. Select the required package and click Finish to create the graph or report. Add other items to the dashboard using the same process until you have all the items you require. The movement of items around the dashboard is very flexible and means you can have your dashboard arranged exactly as you wish. These items can be moved around by dragging and dropping. Here are a few examples. We want all reports in the bottom right corner of this dashboard, so we drag this first item to the right hand side of the screen. A docking icon will appear and the item should be released on the right hand side. This second item, a graph, will be positioned on the left, so leave this as it is. The second graph will be positioned in the top right hand corner. Drag this and put above the first report, releasing above the docking icon. We want the remaining report items in the same tab group as the first report item. Drag these and put them in the center of the docking icon, selecting the tab you wish to show after doing this. You now have items arranged as you wish on the dashboard. There are several ways, however, to make it even clearer and more user-friendly. We can remove graph and report titles by selecting View, then unchecking Show Graph or Report Title. You can also resize the item by clicking and dragging around the edge of it, like this, giving space to items such as graphs that need to be seen clearly. There is also the option to keep some items just as tabs, hidden behind other items as previously shown. This now shows an example of how a good dashboard should look. We will explore bad dashboards later on. Now you should save your dashboard by selecting File, Save as Dashboard, and giving it a suitable name. You can save this either as a new dashboard or overwrite an existing dashboard. Your dashboard is now saved. Remember, you can only use packages in dashboards, not manually created ad hoc reports or graphs. Using scaling in the creation of packages will not only save space on graphs, but will make information easier to understand, so this should always be taken into consideration when using large numbers. Position items in a tab group. This gives more space for the most important items. Once saved, the dashboard can be found in the Projects Dashboards menu in IFP Home. Within Dashboard Manager, there are two key things we can do. Rename the dashboard and add the dashboard as a favorite on IFP Home. Having this simple one-click option will allow you to provide managers with the information they need straight away rather than opening several different packages individually. Dashboard Viewer allows you to view and edit dashboards, including adding or removing packages. New packages can be inserted by following the same process as before. To remove a package, simply click the Close button on the relevant tab. In most cases, You won't need to change the contents of a dashboard very often. When the database is updated with next month's actuals, when you open the dashboard, all information will be updated automatically. There are several common issues you should be aware of when using dashboards. If you change the name of a package, including within a dashboard, it will no longer be recognized and the dashboard will not open. An error message will tell you the cause of the problem. If you use too many packages, the dashboard becomes hard to see. This is an example of a badly created dashboard. We recommend not using more than 10 packages on each dashboard. Either create another dashboard or position items within the same tab group. Access to dashboards is restricted by security settings, including group policies and database user profiles. Generally, we would expect dashboards to be managed by local administrators. If required, you can create dashboards only visible to yourself by saving them in the My Files folder. Dashboards are very useful for having a consistent view on your database that updates automatically as the database changes. This is an invaluable tool when it comes to advising managers on finance and allows them to easily track trends and identify any problems. Added to this, they are easy to create and very flexible in the movement they have. Always remember to save your work regularly, otherwise packages may be lost from the dashboard. For further information on this topic, search for dashboards in our Help Centre.